Here we've got waning square of Saturn, the last waning square, and waning semi-sextile. So this is 30 degrees before the end, the final 30-degree section of Uranus around its position. And we are leading up to the return of Uranus, but we are not there yet. That's the third time in life during this period when the progressed moon comes back to the same position. And I think here really we are testing how much we have faith in the meaningfulness of continuing to be in our bodies. There will hardly be people in this age that are not experiencing difficulty with physical well-being. It's just a natural thing. And it's really trying to preserve the spirit in an ailing body more and more now, because what we're trying to hold on for in this case is not so much the opportunity that is meant to come our way if we have managed at 70, before 77, at stage 11, but here it's preparing for afterlife, trusting in whatever beliefs we might have or not have of what is to come after the transition of death, and preparing for that in a way which is open to spirits and is not bound to the realities of Saturn. There is really a fight going on here between Saturn and Uranus. It's very magical, this second semi-sextile in every cycle. If you think of it as an aspect between two planets, that 30 degrees before they meet again, the balsamic phase of every cycle, before, when it's dark, when there is so much unknown, but you have this anticipation feeling that something is awaiting beyond. You don't know yet what it is, a rebirth of a kind. But Rudyard says that most people can take advantage of aspects in their chart which are second semi-sextiles between planets, unless they have developed spiritually and emotionally to a degree that allows them to reach into that territory. It's a mysterious territory. So here Uranus is offering us this stage of life that holds a mystery. And the question here is whether you believe in this or not, and what really is it that you believe in. Meeting the ghosts of the past, maybe retracting back into a state of concentrating more on your mind, something of a trend that was supposed to have started from the 40s, but here at the last 12 stage, really concentrating mostly on yourself, on your own feelings about what was going on during the course of your active life, and memories, things like this, really making peace, a typical 12th house exercise, making peace with the ghosts of the past, with the belief and the faith in the future to come.